Alright, in today's lesson we're going to be learning how to solve algebraic systems. Now this one's not too difficult. It's really based on the things we've been doing in the last couple of videos. Let's just see how one of these works. 2x minus y plus 1 equals 0. This is how it will look when they ask you some of these. And they want you to solve algebraically for this system. Now the first thing you want to know is you can't solve them like this. You're going to have to put them into the y equals mx plus b form first. So let's go ahead and do that to the first one. So let's take 2x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Y equals mx plus b, so I have to leave the y there. Move the x minus 2x. So what I do on one side I have to do on the other. Remember, we have to keep the balance, so minus y is left, and then I'm going to have to subtract 1 to move that over here also, minus 2x minus 1, and then I have to divide by negative 1, and so y is 2x plus 1. The negatives cancel, so I get 2x plus 1. So that's one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and erase so that I have enough room. If I did that too fast, pause the video, go back and look at that. So y equals 2x plus 1. That's the first one. And so let's solve the other one real quick. Y minus 3x equals 0. Y equals mx, so that has to be on this side. So I'm going to add 3x. That cancels. So y equals 3x plus 0, and I don't have to write the plus 0. So there's the other one. Y equals 3x. So not done yet, but I'm much closer. So what I did was I converted these into these. Now all I have to do is find it, and in this one we're going to solve by graphing. Now, hint, when you take the test, they're going to give you a graphing calculator. I'm not going to use one. I'm going to show you slowly what it means by doing it by hand, but you can do it on a graphing calculator and it does it for you. So I'm going to go ahead and put my lines in. And we're going to graph just like we did in the other videos. And so what this should do is give you an idea of what's really happening. So we're going to take the first one, y equals 2x plus 1, and this plus 1 is where it runs into the y-axis, and so that's called the y-intercept. So at 0, 1, 0, 1, that one right there, is where it's going to hit. Now, the slope is 2 over 1. So remember, that's rise over run. So that means I'm going to go up and right. So I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, and over 1. Up 2, over 1. Down 2, and left 1. Down 2, left 1. So you can see the line. Goes right there. Now, this will be better on graph paper, but we're doing pretty good so far. So there's one line. So let's take and graph the second one. Y equals 3x. Well, if I want to, I can put in the plus 0, which means it's going to hit at 0, 0, which is right there. And so that line's going to hit right there. So I'm going to go slope of 3 over 1, up 3, right 1. 1, 2, 3, right 1. 1, 2, 3, right 1. Down 2, 3, left 1. And I end up getting a line. Count that again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I did it correct. Looks like that. And so my two lines cross each other. The solution to this is where they hit each other. And they run into each other right there. And what is that point? Over 1 and up 1, 2, 3. At point 1, 3 is the solution of these two systems. So basically what you're doing is you're just taking two formulas, setting them equal to y equals mx plus b, graph them, and wherever they run into each other is the solution. So it's really not too difficult. It's based on what we've done in the other two videos. You just have to go slow. Again, you can do these on the same graph in your graphing calculator. I've just shown you how to do one. The solution is where they run into each other. All right? In the next video, you're going to try one of these on your own. We'll see how you do. Good luck.